Hello. Okay, so this is just going to be a quick overview of the first SFML project I've ever made. It's a particle thing. I showed a little particle demo on the SFML website and gave it a go. And this is the result of that. So first of all, what you notice is a strange shape and a bunch of, ignore the shapes, but it's this circly thing we're looking at now. I can move that around, and these little dots, and wherever I keep it still does that. You'll notice a few of these key things in the top corner. It says Z equals clear frame, X is fill frame, C is next particle. So if I press X, I think it's X anyway, let's press X. Yep. And you'll notice what it does is it stops wiping the frame, because after every particle or bunch of particles is created, it clears the screen and stops drawing new ones there. But obviously it's not doing that here, so it gets really full really quickly. And we're going to end that anyway because it's too much. So now we can choose next particle. The next particle happens to just be a different angle on the pre-existing one. So it's a 45-degree angle of the exact same particle we just had. It's pretty interesting. What else we got? This weird firework-looking one. And it's all more or less just variation on the same formula. It's just us moving changing the things on particles, but they do end up looking quite different. Some of these, like this, is quite a fascinating one. And if I press X, gets a bit jerky, but you know, cool enough, I guess. Next one. And this one is a special one because this one only works when you press X. It makes a sort of animation style thing that follows your mouse in a weird never-ending loop that looks terrible, but you know, whatever. So next frame, very similar to the first one, but I think it's a bit wider, makes a bit of a different shape. It almost looks liquid-like when you move it. Very cool. And if we freeze that one, oh god. Oh. Okay, and the next one is, I believe, a 45-degree angle. Ugh. Fair enough. Okay, well, if I recall then, the next one should be a 1-degree angle. There it is. Look at that one. Looks like a sideways falling sand game. Amazing. I'd love to make one of those. Okay, and let's see what happens. I'll press X. Interesting enough. Next one. I think this is 5 degrees. Yeah, okay, 5 degrees of an angle. So you see the changes. I mean, I can remember some of these, but not all of them. They're not major changes. Oh, we switch to the next one. So similar to the first one, but a bit wider, I think. Okay, fair enough. Next shape. What have we got? Oh, okay, so similar to the first one. Kind of looks like a flame. Interesting. And the next one, I can't tell if we're back at the start now. No, we're not, because this one has no center. And what else have we got? Ah, this one. Strange trail. And if you press X, they stay there forever. What have we got now? Oh, right, it's the same thing, except they grow to be much bigger. Like planting weird eggs. I'm going to clear the screen now. And after that, what have we got? A hoop. I think this might be the last one. Oh no, here we go. There's the final one then. Makes a fascinating shape if you leave it still. And then finally we're back to square one. Oh. Okay, so yeah, there we go. Can make some amazing little random shapes if you spam the key to switch them. And if I were to press X, it would be a mess and look terrible. But you know, seizure warning. Okay, so yeah, so there you go. That's a quick demo of the SFML particle thing that I've been working on for like an hour or two. Hope you enjoyed it. Probably not going to make anything else particle based for a while because I'm just learning the basics of SFML so I can get it further into graphical development of my future game projects. But you never know. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day, I guess. Or don't. Do whatever you want. See you later.